Hello friends and welcome to English with Alex channel. Breakfast food in English. Porridge. Porridge. Breakfast consisted of porridge served with butter. Porridge. Croissant. Croissant. Would you like a croissant with that? Croissant. Sandwich. Sandwich. Will you share your sandwich with me? Sandwich. Toast. Toast. I have toast and marmalade for breakfast. Toast. Pancake. Pancake. Do you want a sweet pancake or a savory one? Pancake. Cereal. Cereal. I have a bowl of cereal every morning. Cereal. Egg. Egg. He poached an egg for breakfast. Egg. Ham. Ham. To make a ham sandwich, you put a slice of ham between two slices of bread. Ham. Tomato. Tomato. All she had for breakfast was a tomato and some lettuce. Tomato. Donut. Donut. I want to eat a donut. Donut. Muffin. Muffin. I'd like to have English muffin and a cup of coffee. Muffin. Bread. Bread. She toasted bread for breakfast. Bread. Waffle. Waffle. Yesterday morning I ate a waffle. Waffle. Jam. Jam. He spread some strawberry jam on his toast. Jam. Yogurt. Yogurt. All I had for lunch was a yogurt. Yogurt. Cheese. Cheese. Would you like a slice of cheese with your bread? Cheese. Milk. Milk. I drink a glass of milk every morning. Milk. Sausage. Sausage. She sliced off a piece of sausage. Sausage. Orange juice. Orange juice. She filled her mug with orange juice. Orange juice. Coffee. Coffee. I'd like a cup of coffee, please. Coffee. Hot chocolate. Hot chocolate. A cup of hot chocolate would be just the thing right now. Hot chocolate. Tea. Tea. I like lemon in my tea. Tea. Omelette. Omelette. You can't make an omelette without breaking eggs. Omelette. Cornflakes. Cornflakes. Cornflakes are my favorite. Cornflakes. Bun. Bun. I had a cup of tea and a bun at 4 o'clock. Bun. Butter. Butter. Would you like some more bread and butter? Butter. Smoothie. Smoothie. How do you make a banana smoothie? Smoothie. Thank you friends for watching. Subscribe to our channel. Bye for now and see you next lesson.